And then ideally is to remove all the fungus, viruses, bacteria. Hi, I'm Thomas Dawson with Dumpster Intervention Patrol. Hey, one reason why people like us to come out, one is they've never seen this before. No one's ever cleaned their cans, or they do it throwing bleach in their garbage, and which isn't good for our environment. We came up with a system where we can pick the bin up, have it isolated with high pressure, high temperature, and basically deodorize, sanitize, and have a clean can like it's brand new. And we actually use a little bit of a powder scent at the end to give it actually a great scent, and it's a pro-bacterial. So if there is any left bacteria, that we're going to fight that. And three things that we're trying to create out here is to reduce the greenhouse gases, reduce unwanted bugs, animals, and rodents, and then ideally is to remove all the fungus, viruses, bacteria, anything that's living in there that we can't see, but we touch those cans and we bring it right back to our home or inside the can. And what I'd like to do is show you a little bit of the process. The way that we work through this is we'll get to the cans, we'll open them up and pre-treat them with a eco-friendly solution that will start breaking things down. And then what we'll do is, if you have two bins or three or whatever, we'll work on one and we'll clean it. We'll put it up on the bin and we'll wash through it, bring it down externally, wash it down. And the beauty with our system is that we use our own water. We provide the water, and then we have a 4-stage recycled system. So that water comes in nasty, recircles back into the fill tank, and we reutilize that water again. So not only are we trying to freshen up the environment, but we're also trying to keep the water conserving and use the same water again. I'm Thomas with Dumpster Intervention Patrol.